Hey guys, this is a small tutorial. Have you ever wondered if you wanted to use your camera as a webcam because your webcam is pretty sick, or you're just too lazy and it doesn't adjust to your gameplays, or looks just ridiculous because it oversees you or whatever? So I have the webcam perfectly for you. It's free, there's no watermark, so it's perfect for people like me that are broke as fuck and can't do shit. So anyway, I don't know how this is gonna work, so you need to just give me a minute. Maybe it goes by parts, but the first thing you need to do is to go to a page that says Irun Webcam. I will leave the thing below, or just give me a second. Hey, tech thing, just put a clip on what you need to do, and yeah. Anyway, once you downloaded it, as you see, and you've done all the steps, you go to Play Store and you download the Irun webcam. It's right there. I'll leave a picture of how it looks, and then you follow the instructions and I'll show you how it works. So as you can see right here, right there, is Irun webcam. I'm using this in Camtasia because I record. You see, you can literally see this in my camera. Like, I don't know how I'll prove it, but that's literally what you're seeing. What you're seeing on screen is my webcam on my phone, so obviously it works. But now I'll show you once, because now maybe you're asking, yeah, but once I stop recording, maybe it messes up, whatever. That's why I'm here to show you that it works. Okay. So here it goes. So imagine you just finished recording and you can see my settings because of Camtasia. It's 1920 by 1080. So that's great. Okay. Whatever. Let's just get to the point that is working, okay? So I finished my recording. So literally here's the proof. This is what you were saying right there, and this is the webcam. As you can see, it's right there. You can literally like point it out. You can make that bigger if you're doing a gameplay or whatever, but that's my camera. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, it works. The link on the computer, I'll leave it down below. The Play Store, I left the symbol before, but here it is again. And hopefully it works for you. I don't have any USB connected. As you can see, my phone is literally free. And it just works with Wi-Fi. You just have to have Wi-Fi to work this, okay? So hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like, comment below, and do the rest. Share it with friends if this was helpful.